Tell you something. The people are making this. For example, Moya. He's playing bad guy.
Yeah.
But he's very good guy.
Yeah.
We are actors, so we are doing our job. But
Yeah.
also we are Muslim. That's why we are Muslim. That's why we did it this job. I think like this
With passion,
we
yes.
did everything from Iman,
With passion.
with passion, with belief, with
Yeah.
love, with everything. But
Yes.
because if you are not give your everything, not all just physically, if you are not giving your performance and energy from your heart, because we are feeling it here, especially me, also him, for sure, I know him. That's why I think become very famous and successful all around the world. But it's not means I will not play with jeans and the shirts in another project, because this is my job.